Hello, everyone. Welcome to Enterprise Neurosystems presentation on AI for Climate Action Application Hub.
Hi, my name is Bill Wright, and I'm the chair and founder of the Enterprise Neurosystem AI research community. And I just want to thank the team for pulling this initiative together. The UNFCCC has been a really close partner of ours for quite some time now. And I think one of the most exciting things is seeing this come together to really help enable developing nations with AI technologies. So again, really excited to see this launch and see this come together. Again, I want to thank the team for all of their work making this happen and really excited for the launch.
Hello, I am Dinesh Verma, the Chief Technology Officer and Technical Working Group Chair of Enterprise Neurosystem. Enterprise Neurosystem is an open source volunteer group of many different companies and universities, all brought together with the goal of creating AI-enabled distributed solutions for the enterprise and the world. As part of our initiative to help emerging nations deal with AI-based climate change solutions, we have developed an AI application hub. Let's listen to what more details of that application hub.
Thanks, Dinesh. Hello, everyone. I'm Sheba Prakash. I'm an active volunteer at Enterprise Neurosystem and lead for AI for Climate Action Application Hub. With the rise in generative AI, we have a huge volume of synthetically generated data on the web, and it is expected to grow exponentially, making it difficult to search and find the right resources like models, tools, publications needed to build AI solutions. What we have accomplished is we have established an application hub built by subject matter experts from around the globe, and it acts as a resource hub accessible to data engineers and scientists from anywhere. All you need is internet access. It is open source with open datasets, open source AI tools, open source AI models, and publications. Here is a high-level architectural overview of the application hub. It is built with open source GitHub framework for all the activities, including development, user input, web interface, and governance. Our URL is mlwithoutborders.org, and the name reflects our mission, service to public goods by enabling access to ML and AI resources throughout the world free of charge. This was presented to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change 2024. Now over to Abhay for a live demo.
Hello, I'm Abhay Ratnaparki. I'm going to provide a demo for the AI Climate Action Hub, this is a kind of a portal where you would see a different AI related assets listed. You can see that assets categorized as data sources, AI models, publications, and different AI tools. So we have carefully selected the different assets which are related to the climate action and basically supporting the United Nations SDG goals. So you can see the assets categorized for each and every SDG goals here, alongside with some of the taxonomy that we have internally provided for these kind of assets. So you can see this particular asset is categorized under the climate change, and under climate change, it's specifically a climate prediction and the climate prediction related data. So this kind of a hierarchical classification is associated with each and every asset listed here. And there is associated link. If this is a model, then there is associated paper or code which talks about this model is also listed here. We have a process where we are accepting the new assets as and when they, if anyone wants to put it here, and we review it as per our reviewing criteria here, and we add those assets to this portal. You can see a search functionality here where we have a search as and when you type. So you can see here, if I want to search all the models related to remote sensing, I can just put it here and you can see the total results of the models that we do have, which are related to the remote sensing. We also added a couple of more tabs, which specifically the Grand Challenge is one that Enterprise Neurosystem conducts alongside with the UN. And we wanted to list out the the things happening around the Grand Challenge here. And there is a UNTC initiative about the climate action, and we are pointing it out to the UN's SDG goals from these tabs. So with this, thanks, I will pass back to the...
I'm Anindita Das. I am a senior software engineer at IBM, and I've been working in this AI initiative that has been organized by the Enterprise Neurosystem, where we are creating an AI application hub. So as it was shown previously, the application, how it looks like. So I will give some more details about how we are characterizing our data that we are putting it in the website. So the data sources that we have at this point in our application hub are categorized into 5 different categories that are data sources, AI models, publications, and AI tools. And as you see in this slide, the data sources are based on the climate change, climate prediction, atmospheric data. Similarly, AI models are also referring the atmospheric data models, oceanographic models, climate change, and so on. And we also have publications that are related to the climate action, climate changes. So we have references to the papers that have been published for weather forecasting, then oceanography, and so on. And also from this application, we will be able to get to the AI tools that are related to the climate action. So you can see in the page that you can navigate to those AI tools where you can look at the climate modeling tools, earth science tools, simulation tools, and so on. So this is not an exhaustive list that I'm showing here. There are more in the application. When as a user you go into the application, you can see more of these AI tools or papers in the application hub itself. So it's like a one-stop shop for anybody who's looking for the data sources or models or tools related to the climate action change, and all those resources are available at one place for you to look at and use it for your purposes.
Now let me open it up for questions.
Yeah, this is great. Thanks. I have a question for Anindita. Does the application provide a mechanism for the user to access the resources for each of these classifications?
Yeah, that's a good question. So when Abhay was showing this application, you would have seen that each of these characteristics have a category associated with it. For example, you can see they are categorized for data sources. You can see in this screenshot that MERRA2 is categorized with climate change, climate prediction data, and it also shows the which SDG goals it is associated with. And at the bottom, you can also see that there's a link for view data set. So you can click on that, and that will navigate you to the data set which has all these data sources. Similarly, in the AI model tab, if you go, you can also see that you can navigate to the AI model tab. The AI model that is associated with the results in this page. For publication also, you can navigate it to the paper. For the AI tools, you will see all the data set that is associated with that AI tool mentioned in that paper, in that tab.
Okay, great. Thanks, Anindita.
Hi, I am Saurabh Mazumdar. I am a distinguished engineer and director in IBM. I work very closely with Enterprise Neurosystem, especially this year with the AI Grand Challenge, which Enterprise Neurosystem was doing along with UNFCCC. Now, Shiva, I have a question about this application hub. I was wondering how anyone within the community or even outside, anywhere from the globe, how one can contribute to this application hub.
Good question, Saurav. There are 2 ways to contribute. One is by adding a feature or a functionality to our application hub, for which you can create a pull request in GitHub. And we will review the changes or the updates that you have made and action accordingly. The other way to contribute is adding content to the various categories. For this, if you are familiar with the pull request in GitHub, we ask that you do so, or you can simply email with your contributions to the site's maintenance team. This is listed on our website as well. These will go through a review process and actioned accordingly.
Hi, Abhay. I'd like to know what is the grand challenge?
Thanks for asking that. So Grand Challenge is something the Enterprise Neurosystem Group conducts the challenges in the area of AI and sustainability, and that is in accordance with multiple agencies. So in 2023, the Grand Challenge was conducted with the US Department of Agriculture, and in 2024, it was conducted with the UNFCCC. And in future also, we envision conducting more such challenges which help in the achieving the goal of enterprise neurosystem and with AI and sustainability related initiatives.
Charlene, did you want to add anything?
I'm Charlene Yee with Enterprise Neurosystem. I ran the marketing and operation for the AI Innovation Grand Challenge that was co-hosted with the UNFCCC Technology Executive Committee. We were able to get applications from 62 countries around the world. And I hope that we, with this contest, is able to make a long-term impact in the AI for Climate Action Initiative. Thank you for everybody's support.
Over to you, John, for closing remarks.
Hello, I'm John Overton. I'm the Vice Chair of the Enterprise Neurosystem and one of the founding team members. Enterprise Neurosystem was designed to attract the best talent in the world to address the biggest challenges we can address. Our charter guarantees that the collective group's efforts are open, that they can't be controlled by some particular interest or organization or company, to allow us to bring some of the greatest creativities to some of the pressing problems of our times. We have done grand challenges. We have an application hub for the United Nations that we're pursuing that would allow AI models to be freely shared to all 192 countries. We're working on a natural language interoperability protocol that would allow machine learning applications to communicate with one another across the world. Everything is freely available and open to anyone. We are trying to attract the greatest creativity and the greatest efforts to solve some of the biggest problems. Please, if you have an interest in this, come join us. We would love to have you.